Happy TNT boom bow bow. Bow 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 bow. One of these days it's gonna sound like I don't have rocks in my throat, I promise you. Mumei's in Ina's house. Do you see the owl anywhere? Let's go say hi. Let's go say hi. We can offer her up, up, up. I see a name. Nana Mumei. Nana Mumei. Nana Mumei. Up, put it away, put it away. Nice.
What is this fear I'm feeling?
Nana. We are hunting. I'm hunting.
I knew I should have been afraid.
A birdie. It's a birdie.
I can hear the Jaws music, please.
It always feels like somebody's watching me. Can't get no privacy. Oh,
There's so many dogs.
Mumei. Mumei.
I feel impending doom. I wasn't feeling this before.
Come hither. I have a gift. A gift. All right, stop running from me now.
I should greet her, but stop her.
Oi! I see your name tag. Wait, what's your name? A cake. That's cute. I am Santa Claus. I come bearing gifts.
None of you can understand the fear I feel in this moment.
Child. Mumei. Mumei! Look, check this out. Put that on your noggin.
What's this? Oh. Wait, how do I give her something?
Oh, berries! Thank you! I'm gonna... Looking shabby? Excuse me?
Oh. What the? Oh, it's dark! Oh. Excuse?
Pumpkin head. Kawaii desu ne. Bonk.
Ah, I knew it!
Alright, bye-bye. Why is your aura so...
I knew I had a reason to fear. Shabby? Does shabby mean bad? What does shabby mean?
My aura? What's an aura? How do you respond about your aura? What does shabby mean?
Does it mean bad?
Shabby!
I know it's not too shabby. Oh wait, not too shabby. You're not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
That's what I meant to say.
Come on, let me out. I was trying to jump off the edge of the map and look all cool. Okay, but... Get me out of here.
I knew to be cautious, and yet I still made a mistake. Where is she? Where?
Alright. Do you think I looked cool? Do you think she's impressed by my super coolness?
Can I take it off? But I feel like that's rude. She gave it to me, and now I have to wear it forever. Right?
See you later, Mumei. Or shall I say, boom boom May? Ha 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 hoo hoo ha ha. Okay, let's keep going.
I can't believe I goofed up my sentence. I was 30 with a button.
Alright, time to... No, I didn't look cool! Well, whatever.